Jeff from Mantiques Network. How you doing today? What you hear in the background is our restoration shop. We've been doing restorations all around the country, and we are slammed with projects coming in left and right. So if that's something that you would like to explore with us, please let me know. What we have here is our final installation of the new old stock NOS Salesman sample Pinup Girl calendar. Salesman would have brought this into some type of company and talked them into putting their name on these calendars to customize them for their customers and for the businesses. So what we have here is a pinup girl losing her way with her dress sitting on a ocean pole or something like that. That's such a natural thing to be doing, right? Anyway, so if you are into vintage advertising, into pinup girls in general, calendars, vintage calendars, this is right up your alley. As you can see, we've had it professionally framed, 36 inches tall. This might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.